Take it! I'm giving it to you! Hello everybody, and welcome to my little blacksmith shop. And this game is free. And it's made in the Unreal Engine, and I don't really know much else about it, like most games I play. So, I'm gonna figure this out, and let's get into it. Alright, how to play. Pick up and connect each part together to make a weapon. Each assembly must be completed on the crafting table. If you don't like the result, bring your weapon to the anvil and disassemble. Once completed, bring your weapon to the inventory area, and the customer will grab the weapon they requested. Pay and leave the shop. You can sleep to start a new day by clicking on the bed. This is the alpha build. Please report any bugs and suggestions. I hope you enjoy the game. If you enjoy the game and would like to support it, please feel free to make a donation. The funds will go into making this game more enjoyable to you. Donors will be immortalized as customers. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is nice. Everything looks nice. Can I jump off here? I can. Ooh, glowy thing. What is this glowy thing? Oh, it's moving. Where are you going? Oh, I bumped it. I booped it. Ah. Boop. 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 What are you? What do I do with you? Are you even a thing? Wow, this is fun. I'm not even playing the game. I'm just doing this. This is fun. Oh, this is cool. I actually really like this. This is what? What are you? Are you alive? Yes? No? I can't go any further than this. Cause, whoa. Blurs out. That's really cool. That's interesting. Place order receiving. Whoa. Hello? I see things moving over there. Oh, there's people! Whoa! Hi, people. Do you want to buy weapons? Guess not. Lame. Click me. Whoa! Shop name. Bizzoko's Blacksmith Shop of the... Oh, I can't. That's it. Just keep it as that. Whoa, what's the size? Oh, man, let's make it super big. And very purple. Beautiful. Oh my god, it doesn't fit. 16? Close. Let's try 15? Closer? 14. Closer. Let's do 13. And let's also add an exclamation point, because that'll get customers. Okay, maybe not. 12. 12-point font. I'm writing a paper. Okay. Oh, there's a sword there. Oh, there's an upstairs. Oh, wait, this is where I started. Oh. Okay. Hey, anyone want to buy weapons? Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh. How do I pick up? Ooh. It's very reflective. I like that, but it's not reflecting correctly. Can I pick these up at all? No. That's my inventory, I guess. There's nothing there. That's pausing the game. Okay. Oh, okay, let's see. 2 ingots equals a blade or a hammer. 3 ingots equal 2 hand blades and hammers. Click on parts - ingot to change shape when on an anvil. Click again to cycle different shapes. Cycle breakdown blade equal hammerhead? What? Coin chest. 6. I have money. I have money. I am rich. How do I pick things up? I should probably check the controls first. Okay. Oh, okay. Ugh. There. What? Whoa! Woo! Shit's hot. How do I do this again? Why did I do that? I don't... It's still hot. Okay. Oh, can I move the paper? I might have to move the paper. Oh! The focusing on this game is interesting. I actually like it because it's like it'll blur out things in the background and things that are unimportant at the time. What is this? I don't know what all this stuff is. Oh, here's already pre-made blades. Can I not use this yet? Do I have to use something special? Like wood? What do I have this for? Okay, ooh, handles, shield. I can't, okay, so I can't pick up the shield. Can I pick up these? No. Alright. Shop close. Click sign to open and close shop. Oh, that's why I wasn't getting, keep it closed for now, because I have no idea what I'm doing. What? Oh, this is... Alright, so... I'm gonna have to figure out how to do anything in this game. Oh, do I need to get my tools? No? What do I do? Customer name... Oh, that's orders. Huh. Alright, so I can pick up those. I think that's just free stuff for me to use. Oh, I need 2 ingots. Oh, fuck, I'm an idiot. Okay. Alright, so 2 glowing ingots. Cool. No, no. Stay. Stay. Okay, it's still not working. No! Stay. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Oh, there's a blue gem in here. Whoa! What do you do? Why don't you use something special? I'm gonna put this in the box. I guess it won't fit. I wonder if I can pick up the other one. If I can find it again. Yeah, there it is. I can. Oh, I can. That's cool. Actually, just since you won't fall, I'll just put you on these shelves. That'll work. Is there another gem in the fire? Are these like elemental gems? I mean, first I definitely have to figure out how to do this. Because I feel like it's just something obvious. I'm just being really fucking dumb. Probably. That's most likely the answer. But that's glowing brighter now. Do you have to be in for a while? Oh, they might. Oh, yeah, because they're, like, sparking off something fierce. Oh! Ow! Oh! 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 That's a camera. Oh, no, it's a hammerhead. Looks like a camera. Ah, I figured it out! Okay, cool. Alright, awesome. Alright, I just didn't leave it on long enough. Alright, open. I am a night shop. Hello? There's no one else. That's disappointing. Well, I figured stuff out. So that's good at least. I guess? Order in. Oh! Oh! This is so... Oh, it's shop supplying. Okay. Open! Oh, okay. Alright. Let's, shop's open. Do I have any orders? No. Okay. Cool. Hey, everybody! I'm open. I'm open for the business. Who wants items and stuff? And swords. I have swords. So much swords. I even have this log. I have a log? Does anyone want a log? Ah! Oh, God. Okay. Wait. Two-handed hammer. Okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. If I add another ingot... can I make it into two-handed? Okay. Do I do this? And no, I can't. I need more. Alright, I'll put this over here for now. And then I'll put this over here because I have this thing, which I think I can use to easily make two-handed hammer. Okay, there we go. Just the hammer. Okay. Alright, I'm bringing it over to the workbench. You stay there. And I'm gonna need one of these. Come on, come on. Ah! Coolio. Oh! Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Here. Oh, I'm timed? How do I give it to you? Here's a two-handed hammer. I have it. It's right there. Take it! I'm giving it to you! What happened to the head? What? What happened? The head's gone. What the hell? Yeah, okay, fine! What the frick? Did I not do something right? Oh, shh. Dropped on the floor. Okay. 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 What is that? What does that do? Oh, it went back onto the anvil. What the heck, dude? What is that? Alright, so it just falls off. Why? Why does it do that? Oh, do I have to, like... Ah! Come over here and, like... Oh, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. How did... Stay! It's not how that works. Okay. So it goes near the head. Pop! On. Okay. Now I need a way to keep it on there. Which I'm not entirely sure how. Maybe I figure out how to... What's in here? Okay. We got some handles. Buckler thing? Another handle. Now let's try with a sword, see what there gets me. See if I can make a sword pretty easily. Oh! These things are fucking hilts, aren't they? Oh, they are. Oh. Oh, they are. Okay, and I can put these on the inventory. Yeah, Yeah, just right on there. Or not. It could also not do that. That works. That's fine. I'll just do that. What happened to the other guard? Oh! One-hand sword. Got you. Hey, wait. Yes. Here. Take it. Take it! It's a one-handed sword! Take it! What am I doing wrong? I have a sword. It's one-handed. It's right there. Take it. Oh my god. Take it the fuck! So I had to look it up. And apparently I have to put this over in the inventory for people to take it. So yay. Alright. Hi, what do you want? One-handed sword. Well, you're in luck. I have one of those right... Okay, you bought it. Cool. Okay. As for the hammer, I still have no fucking idea why it's not working. Actually, I think it falls apart when you hit the... Oh, that's what they meant by take up... I am so dumb. Oh my god. So much pain. Just gone in a second. Hi, two-handed sword. Okay, I got not what you need. Oh, I have another ingot. Okay, cool. I can make a two-handed sword. Alright, 1, 2, and come on. No, you're not done. Sparkle. Come on. He's gonna leave. I should just make a crap ton of items. Why isn't this glowing? There you go. There you go. There you go. That's not what I wanted. 3 ingots. I put 3 ingots on it, and it made... Ah! Fuck. I thought well, I have money now. Alright, what is this guy? Make a two-handed hammer? I got you. I got you right here. Right here. No. No! This is gonna take up all the time, just putting onto the inventory. You... This is not balanced right. Alright, I have to find... Okay. Wait, no, Come on. Cooperate! You want it? Take it! It's right here! Oh, son of a bitch. It was right there! I had it right here! You could have taken it. Oh, fuck. Do that. Roast them. And then I can have a two-handed sword in my inventory that they can just come in, pick up, and leave. And come on. There we go. Actually, that might be a two-handed. Hold on. Yeah, I think that might be a two-handed grip. So, break apart. Yes! Oh, finally. Okay, great. Wait, is this not the right hilt? Okay, no, it is. Alright, cool. Two-handed grip. Come on. Get on. Come on. Get on it! Haha! Did it. Alright, coolio. Alright, this time I got it. I know how to get it to them. It's just sometimes it just doesn't take. Like with the hammer, they didn't want I'm confused as to how... I know these are like showing examples of how to present it, but it's kind of hard. Like here, I can put it like that. It's close, I guess. Shield. Let's see if I can make a shield. These things have to go together? Whoa, hello. Pole arm. Oh. Oh, I am so stupid. I just needed a double hand grip. Oh, fuck. That's why I didn't want it. How do these people keep missing my chest? It's unmissable. Alright. Alright, I'm getting good at this. I kind of have it. Oh, hi. One-hand hammer. That's a two-handed thing. It's just place order. 1 minute, sir. Okay, well, I got the hammerhead. Put that on. Oop. Ah, so many handles. Please don't leave. I made it. It's right here. If just fucking turn. Oh, I can just hold it up to there and they'll take it. Hey, hey, awesome. I'm gonna need more stuff. Ingots. I'm making bank now. Wait, the list goes down. Oh, I can buy more stuff. Order fancy one-hand grip. Ooh. Fancy two-hand grips. Order pole arm. I don't have enough money for that. Oh ho ho. Place order. Hey, one-handed hammer. Coming righty-o up-o, sir-o. I'm out of ingots. Oh, crap. How much money do I have? I have $41. Okay. I wish this reset every time. Sir, your order's probably... Oh, wait, I ordered ingots by accident. I have an order coming in for stuff. And once it's in... I think I placed it. Did I not? On a pole-arm grip. I don't think it's coming in. Crap. Don't need two-hand grip. Alright, place that order. Order number 5. I'm sorry! I'm sorry. So do I not have to put this on that? Is that a thing? Alright, looks like it's a thing. Hi. I need a one-handed... Why does everyone want fucking one-handed hammers? Don't have the shit first. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Be creative. Creativity. Alright, I'm gonna need a one-handle. One-handled handle. Oh, I already have one on that. Please don't leave me. It's coming right out, sir. Oh, come on. Come on! Oh, you're kidding me. Oh my god. Why isn't it working? I don't get it. It's not working. I have to click on the stuff itself. Of course. Alright, I'm gonna be more prepared for tomorrow. Stay on. Oh my god. Fine, whatever. You stay there. Maybe I'll flip you. Oh, yeah, maybe. You have a special back to you. No. Flip. There you go. There you go. It's gonna... Nope. Guess not. Okay. Does the handle go on, though? I have no idea how to make a shield. Can I even make a shield right now? Or is it like in the alpha he hasn't... It says nothing about shields. Does it become day if I wait long enough? Why do I have these logs? I'm gonna put it in this bin. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, it's gone! What happened? Is it like a trash bin? Does it delete things? Whoa! Whoa! Bink! Oh my god, it gets rid of things! Bink! Oh my god, what is this? What is this? I think this is part of a shield. Maybe. Maybe it... Okay, no, doesn't do shit. Okay, great. Alright, so... I guess I'll make it the next day. Because I am as ready as I can be. Alright, day 5. Let's get going. My shop is open. I've only done 3 orders, but hey, that's okay. No, it's not. But, this place is a mess. I need to tidy up by selling things. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? That one-hand sword. It's right there. Right here. Right here. Right here. There you go. Ha! That's not a very good frisbee. Who's next? Who's next? You next? Who's next? I'm flipping ready. $20? Ugh, great. Oh, I had coins on the outside. Oh, hello. What can I do for you today? I need a 2-handed sword. Well, there's one right here. One right here. It's right here. Fucking take it. Oh my god. Are you blind? Take it. You were the worst. You need a pole arm. I got you. I got you. Look at this. Look at this. Pink. Ah, done. Yeah, boy. Oh, making bank. Got a giant sword to sell because someone was blind. Fuck them. They don't deserve my craftsmanship. Fuck. There'll be one moment, sir. I kind of, don't have stuff. Oh, shit. I also need... I'm gonna need a hilt. One-hand guard. Oh, I actually just bought everything again. Great. Well, I can always use more ingots. Yeah, you're probably gonna leave before. Because nobody has patience for good craftsmanship! Alright, bye! No, patience. My stuff's the best! Alright, everybody, that's all the time I have for today. I really liked where the game was going and stuff. It does have a few more bugs to hammer out. I like the concept. It does have a few things, like something's not complying, and the time. I like to see where it goes, because this is just the alpha. Once new updates come out or something for it, I will play more. I have no idea what the point of the golem was. So I will see you in the next video.